Greetings, gremlins and ghouls, and welcome to the video. Right, so I know that. Had made a plague doctor thing before, but that was for Gacha Club, not Life 2. So they've decided to remake it in Gacha Life 2. So you wanna start with giving eyes, any eyes. It may not seem necessary, but it is helpful. Next you want to get rid of the ear, though this is optional. Sometimes this game is buggier than Pokemon SV. Now you change the head. I recommend number 20. Next you want the shark fin, specifically 209 of other 2 on page head 1/2. You want to adjust it so it partially covers the left eye and looks like a bird beak. I will display the adjustment for it though. Change the color of the plague doctor. This can be any color, but the beak will have to match the base color. While making this, I was listening to Mucka Blucka by Tally Ho. Good song. Right. So now what you want to do is make the shark fin, or the beak, the base skin color that you chose. This includes the shade and outline. For the shade bit, you can set it to 0%. Now that that's sorted, you can customize the plague doctor, or if you want the SCP, I'll put a link to its code. If you want it. Here's some examples with the sillies I've made. Anyways, that's how you make a plague doctor in Gacha Life 2. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.